Hey, it's Keir Anderson, Digital Red Zone. Welcome to our weekly segment, Ask a Digital Marketing Expert. So, we're going to start with today's trending topic. Um, as we enter the end of 2025, is SEO still worth it in 2025 with AI changing everything? Let's first ask Google's AI, since everyone knows we SEO things for Google. Interesting enough, I asked all the AIs the same question. They all came up with the same answers. Started to get scary. So, according to AI, yeah, it's still worth it. It's just evolving. Of course, you have to also take into account for the AI search as well and how the AI determines whether you're worthy of being found. Your experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness is huge. You need to focus on user intent. You need to have proper coding in the back end of your website with the schema markup. You have to understand how the language models work as well. You need an authoritative brand. Your brand needs to be authority in what you do. That's the number one thing right now. You need as many brand mentions out there for your digital footprint as possible. Still need the technical SEO stuff. Um, you basically really need to be a content marketer and the trusted source of information in your niche for what it is you do. And that's what's going to allow you to get into the various AI models. So if we look at our own website here, we've got our red zone marketing machine. So we've branded our product, created content around it. If I Google it, the red zone marketing machine, obviously it pulls up all our information, where the citation, pulls up our pages within the algorithm itself. So we're both optimizing for AI and for the regular search engines. This is from a brand perspective. So we want to build an authoritative brand. So we branded our products. I mean, even if you're a landscaper, call yourself the ABC Lawnmowers Yard Cleanup product and brand it so that it understands you. All right. So even large companies itself, furniture or mattresses or anything, they don't just say, I'm a mattress company. They have brands associated with their company. And it's a very strong signal. Very, very strong signal. Another thing we've done as well, creating content. This is a newer site. For the brand name itself, within our own website, we do what's called a brand expose. And so what that happens is pulling our website even up with our expose's brand name, having us showing up in more places. Taking individual articles, as you can see, we are the citation for that. And with all this content, we also do something called syndication. So you can see that these articles are also getting posted to our X, our Facebook and our X here. And going out, this is actually a Google site where those posts are being fed to. Uh, WordPress also has them being fed to it. Our Facebook obviously is being fed to. Our LinkedIn, they're being fed to. And a whole bunch more out there where these articles are being syndicated. So they show up. We want as many brand mentions as we can per piece of content to show up. Another thing to bear in mind is to make sure your name, what you do, pulling content so that it knows that you, as the face of the business, are an authority in that as well. There we are. So you can see that it's pulling the information to determine its answer from these sites. Pay attention to them. Obviously, our website. Heck, I don't even know what Rocket Reach is, but we're listed there too. LinkedIn. And it tells you which places to really focus on with your content marketing strategy. Well, that's how we market for both SEO and AI. I hope this helps answer your question. And if you got more questions, feel free to ask. We're always looking to answer them.